What's up, y'all? This your boy, Dom, back at it again, about to bring you some more fire from my YouTube channel. Now, what I need you to do right now, since I have your attention, is I need you to go and hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on all my posts on my YouTube page. So take a second, go hit that subscribe button. Okay, so now that you've done that, what this video is going to be about is how car thieves do it, as far as them stealing cars and taking them for whatever purposes that they have for stealing these cars. So I seen a video the other day, which I'm going to post like a little clip, like probably up in here, probably like right here. So what you just seen in that clip is pretty much somebody stealing a 2019 Ford Explorer right in front of someone's house in broad daylight. Now, to do this in less than I think it was like in a minute or whatever, so 60 seconds or less, you have to have some balls to be doing this, like, really, because I mean, nowadays everybody got a gun. Somebody can, come right out and, and shoot you. Not saying that you're supposed to do something like that. You don't have the right to do that. You don't have the right to come out just because you see somebody stealing your shit and shoot and kill them. But anywho, besides that point, I'm not on here to talk about gun laws. But what I see is like, these people have skills, man. Like, somebody's like, there's people out here I seen in the videos, in the comments or whatever, in the comments of the video, they were saying like, how is this possible? He had an alarm on the car, blah, blah, blah. So apparently what I believe had happened is someone broke the thieves, they broke the back glass or whatever. They got in, and then they hopped into, the driver's seat, and they hit this thing called the neutral safety switch bypass or something like that. Now, every car has this. It's specifically only supposed to be used for towing purposes. However, car thieves have, taken this opportunity to take cars. And so I know some car lots, they sell cars, right from the lot, and they don't have alarm systems on them. So that could be one possibility on why the alarm didn't go off. Or maybe the back window just didn't have, a feature that causes the alarm to go off. Maybe, I don't know, or whatever. But anywho, they got in here with a screwdriver. They released the neutral safety switch bypass, and they forced the car to go into neutral. So once you get the car to go into neutral, or pretty much any gear, you can move the steering wheel. So in that case, when they pushed the car away, they were able to steer the car and go off into, around the corner or whatever, to, either probably strip the car for parts or to sell it or whatever the case might be. They were able to pretty much, force that car into neutral. And once you do that, the car it's up and running. It's moving. It's, you could do whatever. So that's why the car got behind it and just pushed it. You didn't even need a tow truck to do that. However, that little neutral safety switch bypass is only supposed to be used in case you need a tow, or your car is being towed, and let's say the person doesn't have the keys, but they're able to get inside the vehicle, maybe using a Slim Jim or whatever, tools that they would use to get into the car that's locked. Another reason why people use this safety switch is when, let's say it's specifically your car, your battery dies, and let's say you got the doors unlocked, but you lost the keys, so you can get in the car, but you need somebody to tow it so you can get a new battery or get it fixed. So you would just open up the little part where the the shifter is, and just, you know, force your car into the neutral position so you can get the car towed safely back into your house or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to share that information with you all, because I've seen a whole bunch of comments. They're like, you know, how is this possible? This is how you do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a link to the actual video that I seen on, what I think it's Crime in the D or whatever. I'm going to share that link, and then I'm going to share another link for, I think it's like a 2000 something Ford Explorer, and they will show you exactly how they put the car into neutral, and this is what the thieves are doing. So anywho, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated. I'm trying to get y'all hip out here. I'm really trying to put y'all on. I'm trying to not allow y'all to do this same shit that you see on the video, but allow you to wake up, and so you can be like, you know, more aware, you know, like this stuff is happening and you can't prevent this. I would say one way you can prevent this is pretty much just go get a better alarm system, or, you know, get cameras in front of your house. I mean, obviously they had cameras in front of the house. I think the next door neighbor or whoever, but you probably just need a better alarm system. You need something that's gonna go off, that's super loud, and that is on like probably every window of your car, you know. So anywho, yeah, like, share, subscribe, and I'm out, y'all. Stay safe out there.